continue our coverage on the push to address lead in drinking water. It can be extremely dangerous, especially to young kids, and the federal government has new rules that take effect over the coming decade, forcing water utilities to replace lead service lines. And the price tag is astronomical. Last night here on this show, the Erie County Water Authority put the cost at $300 million total. What about the Buffalo Water Board? Joining me live here tonight is the chairman of the Buffalo Water Board, O.J. McFoy. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me, Michael.
All right, $300 million is a jaw-dropping number for the Erie County Water Authority, which gives water to a lot of people watching. The Buffalo Water Board supplies water to a lot of people watching. How big of a concern is this for you when you look at the price tag?
For us, we're looking at $450 million, nearly $500 million to solve this.
And tell us it's because these service lines, there are so many of them that need to be replaced.
Yes. Right now, we estimate about 40,000 lead service lines in the city of Buffalo.
Wow.
And so when you look at the price tag on that, it is very daunting for our community, for us to really clean up these legacy problems.
Yeah, and Buffalo is a city that's hard hit because our housing stock is so old, right?
Yes.
I was talking yesterday, if you live in Arizona, chances are you don't have a lead service line coming into your home. Many places here do, and obviously this is a problem everyone wants to address, but where do you find that funding is the big question, right?
You know, one of the big challenges we have is really finding that funding, right? We don't want to put it on the backs of our customers, especially in the city of Buffalo when we have almost a 30% poverty. And so we have been actively working with the state, actively working with the federal government to make sure that we get the money here to Buffalo so that we can afford to pay for these public health challenges. So I know personally, I've been to the White House a couple of times and met with them, with the Biden-Harris team, and their Get the Lead Out. But it really is about bringing that money back here to Buffalo. There's a price tag of funding for about $15 billion dedicated to lead service lines, but that is really just a down payment when you look at a city like Buffalo that has a price tag of $450 million.
Yeah, it's really just mind-blowing when you think about it. And there are rules into how you can pass along those costs, right? I mean, you can't, tell people that they're responsible beyond their property line. And I think the plan here, right, is to replace the service lines all the way into people's homes.
That has to be the plan. Buffalo has been doing this for a number of years. Since 2016, we actually have the lowest action limit in the country at 5 parts per billion. But we have been replacing lines. We've replaced over 2,400 lead service lines throughout our city, but we still have a lot more to go. And when we talk about replacement, we're replacing the full lines. That is the only way to get it done.
And ahead of this big replacement project, it's also about identifying, right?
Yes.
And being able to map out. Tell me about that process.
Yes, absolutely. We have a predictive model, which we've had for a couple of years. And what we did last year was really put out a forward-facing website so that we can get help from our customers, get help from our residents, and self-identifying what's in their basement and what kind of line that they have. So we really want to encourage people to go to our website. It's getwaterwisebuffalo.org and participate in that survey.
Yeah, I have about 30 seconds left. What will be your message to people watching now who maybe haven't done that yet, and the importance of doing your part in all this? Right?
It really is. This is a community concern. We really are talking about our children and our children's lives, and we want to make sure that Buffalo is addressing these legacy concerns and that you're helping us to do that as a community.
Tell me the website one more time.
It's getwaterwisebuffalo.org.
All right, hope folks will go check that out. O.J. McFoy, thanks so much. Good to see you.
Thank you very much, Mike.